Persona and Shutter Island seems worlds apart. Bergman spares Shude's art film versus a modern Hollywood thriller, but both probe deep psychological fractures. At their core, each film is a study of duality and sanity. Bergman Persona literally blurs two women into one soul, while Scorsese's Shutter Island has a US Marshal who may not be even who he thinks he is. Both movies plunges into trauma and questions what real. Critics note that Persona exploration of duality, insanity, and personal identity is central. Similarly, Shutter Island ultimately reveals Teddy Daniels as Andrew, two identities fighting within one man. Let's start by setting the stage. Persona follows a mute actress Elizabeth and her nurse Alma, married together. Elizabeth's sudden silence and Alma's confession create a tense psychological drama. Shutter Island follows US Marshal Teddy, sent to investigate a disappearance at an isolated asylum. Teddy is haunted by wars and the death of his wife, descends into hallucination and paranoia. On the surface, one is a minimalistic character study in black and white, and the other is a widescreen conspiracy thriller. Yet both films are psychological puzzles about identity, trauma, blurred reality. In Persona, Elizabeth and Alma become so entwined that audience and critic question whether they are one person who speaks and one who doesn't, or two people merging. The movie even shows overlapping merged phases. Elizabeth's face superimposed on Alma to visualize a single personality splitting or swapping. Shutter Island similarly splits identity. Teddy Daniel is not who he thinks. The plot twist revealed Teddy was actually Andrew, an inmate who created the Teddy persona to escape guilt. Both films ask the same question: who am I really? The theme of two selves, one hidden, one exposed, drives them. The protagonist's minds are wrapped by past horrors. Alma's long confessional monologue in Persona pours out her secret trauma. She describes unbathing Nick, an orgy, an unwanted pregnancy, an abortion, and her guilt afterwards. This eruption of shame and self hate rattled Elizabeth and symbolically fractures Alma's identity. In Shutter Island, Terry is tormented by his World War II experiences and the death of his wife. As one analyst note, Terry's painful memories of his wife's death and atrocities during World War II shapes his perception and leave him with a fractured identity. Both characters refuse to face unbearable truth. Elizabeth rejects motherhood and dialogue. Terry denies that he even exists. This shared trauma is what shatters their reality. Both films plays with a dreamlike imagery and manipulation of what's real. Persona famously blurs fact and fantasy. After Alma falls asleep, Bergman litters the actions with distortion, dislocation, and surrealities so that it's unclear whether what follows dream or reality. For example, the film prologue rolls a rapid montage of shocking image, setting an uneasy tone. In Shutter Island, Teddy experiences vivid hallucinations that frequently erupt the narrative. The camera mixes stark reality with nightmarish sequences that blur what was real and what was imagined. In both movies, our view of the world literally cracks as we inhabit the protagonist's crumbling psyches. Persona is shot in black and white. It leans on extreme close-up and static, intimate framing. One iconic shot literally uses Alma and Elizabeth's faces, first merging them side by side and breaking the image apart mid-film, embodying their psychological merging. Light and dark contrast play against the character mask and silences. Shutter Island, in contrast, is gloomy. He often framed Teddy's in swirling fog, claustrophobic corridors, and with jagged angles. Both use the island coastal setting as a character. The wildstorm on Shutter Island reflecting Teddy's inner turmoil and the sea winds in Persona providing an eerie isolation atmosphere. Bergman edits Persona with sudden leap and dissolve. There's that unreal montage sequence in the middle. Such edits deliberately disorient the viewers. In Shutter Island, Thelma Shoemaker cuts between Teddy's memories, hallucination, and real-time investigation in jarring ways. Flashback to wars, sudden splices to graphic imagery make Teddy cyclic onto screen. Bolson use disjointed cuts and fade in fade outs to suggest a fractured mind. Persona